Hello guys, welcome to the third video of the video series on customization of video membership site. Guys, in the last video we have customized top navigation bar, overall container and this call to action bar. Next we will customize now, we will style main navigation bar, and as you can see in the default theme it extends across the entire screen, whereas in the targeted website you can see that it is again restricted to 960 width. So we'll do the same thing as we did for this image for restricting it to 960. What we will do here, if we go to inspect element, and we will see that the class main nav is again wrapped within the container wrapper 960. So first of all, let us do that. As we can see that wrapper 960 class, this div is just after the comment end of class container logo 2. So coming to our default site, just after this comment here we will include this div class wrapper 960. Yeah. And we will close this div here just after main navigation. Comment this and of class wrapper 960. Okay, let us save this. Now refresh. As you can see that now we have this main navigation bar on the center of the screen, center of the screen, and restricted within the container 960. Now next we can see that the background of this is transparent, whereas in our default theme we have dark colored background. So let us first stylize the background of the main navigation bar. So now as we see main nav, class main nav, background color here, if I remove this rule we can see that we have the same by default background color. So now we will override this default rule with our new CSS rule. We will copy this rule and paste it in our custom CSS theme. Let us save this and refresh, and let us refresh now. See, so now the background color is gone. Next we will stylize this text. So now when we drill down to the anchor tag of this div class main nav id menu header menu li a, if we scroll down here we can see that dot menu current item a, dot menu current item a, this has been stylized. Let us copy this rule compared to here. When if you see the same thing, it has been different. So let us now copy this rule and save it, refresh. Now let us refresh and see. Okay, so other than this links, link is the current page item is set. Next we want to copy this rule menu A. What it does, first of all, it removes the left border and sets the font size to 16 pixels, weight to 400, text shadow. Here you can see there is a text shadow to none. Let us now, since we have copied this rule, let us paste in our custom CSS file. Okay. And we'll transform the text to uppercase. Okay, now let us refresh and see how it is rendered. Great. Now here you can see that font color is all set as per what we are targeting. Next we want to target this hover state. So let us inspect this element for hover state. Yeah, here, where is it? Hover state. Yes, class of menu A hover. We want to copy this rule, CSS rule, in our new custom CSS file. So we'll just paste it below dot menu A. What it does, it changes background to FFF, background image to none, color to 010101, and border bottom to the 1 pixel solid pink in color. If you can see, when you hover over, here is a thin border. Let us save this and refresh. Okay, so now when you see on hovering over, we can see very nice thin little pink border at the bottom and background color blends with the FFF color of the normal background. Now one more thing we have to do is background color of the current link. Suppose if we click about us, in that case this home won't show that dark colored background, but if we are on the home page and hover over, it does show this dark color background. So let us get rid of all of this. Okay, so here we are, dot front page dot menu dot current page item A, background color transparent. If we change this transparent to FFF, we will get what we want to achieve. See, now same. So now let us copy this rule and paste in our CSS file. Save and refresh. Wow, got it. So here we are with the basic navigation bar. Now what I have done is I have removed this secondary navigation menu from here. Instead I have added a classes, and all the items of the secondary navigation I have included as a drop down of this. So in our targeted theme, if we look at the menu, I have added a custom link, classes, and below that all this items that are in the subheader menu. So let us do that now. Okay, now that I have set up this menu items. As you can see, I have created this custom link and classes, and under that classes all the items from the subheader menu are saved. Now I will save this menu and refresh my site. So now here you can see that the subheader menu is removed. As you can see, home, about us, all videos, classes, buy membership, and below classes now we have class length, format, level, teacher, and under this class length 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, format, group session, and all those stuff. So now our basic structure of the menu is all set. Next, you can see that I have used some CSS transition effect, which we will cover later on. The reason why, because I want to speed up the process and I want to come to the, because these are the basic CSS things, and I know you folks are like quite capable of doing all those stuff. Just inspecting the CSS of this my demo site, because this has been very well explained by Spence already to all the all the subscribers of 1WD TV. So I won't go much deep into this formatting and all. This you can definitely. Now coming to the main sections, like we have one block between main navigation bar and this sample videos that I have inserted here. If we inspect this element, here you can see that front page banner, this is the block, a static block I have inserted. It is hard coded in the front page.php file. This can again be, yes, you, if you want, you can like create a custom post also, but for now I have created, hard coded it into front page.php. So let us now open front page.php and have a look at it. Yeah, here it is. Just below the content archive div, grid column 620 div, I have included this front div id front page banner sorry, ahref link, and this image. Let us copy this piece of code and insert it into our front page.php. Let us create some space over here, and just after this content archive ID, I will paste this front page banner div block. Let us refresh and see it. Okay, now it is done. I will stop this video here and we will continue in the next video with further customization. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. God bless.